Pray first.
Kain, Mitsuka.
Pray.
Baby, yes, we're going to pray.
Getting very blue. It's
Ooh,
getting very
allergic.
purple on my screen. My eyes are hurting. There's
Revive.
I don't know, but I hear shots and I'm going towards it.
When you hear shots,
Okay.
hey, you're stealing my kills.
This guy has unlimited health.
Only the skin have the head
Oh, wait, it was people
from
this samurai.
Bastin meat.
Is this an NPC? It's an NPC. With the portal, Arky, can we go through the portal?
Look at that.
Hold on, I'm here fighting.
Mm.
There's a mark.
Tell
Sasuka.
my marker, please.
Okay, like this.
You're
And
not.
then,
We gotta even the score deal somehow, okay?
For the video, can you please come to this portal?
I'm so pushing.
Enter this portal.
so good.
I didn't even realize. Oh, that's crazy.
Hi guys, my name is Basket.
3, 2. Okay, this guy just called me a name.
What? No, not. No! Okay, go in the portal.
I'm eating so with my mom. And look at my mom. That's kind of chubby.
Why doesn't the portal work? Oh, maybe we have to kill him.
Baka malaman nila.
I'll set the battle with you.
I'll help you.
No, don't. Ask about
Try it out, diba?
Yeah.
I can't have a conversation with him.
Alright.
So I have this old skin.
Been paying attention, buddy.
Shell.
Here's
Grandma, are you allergic to pickles?
Just to make sip-sip.
yeah.
Guys, I'm just playing. I don't have a real grandma. I'm just playing with my phone.
No
Android.
cell phone while eating.
Oh yeah. I hate to break it to you, buddy, but you're gonna die.
Yeah, but
Oh yeah.
Yahoo!
Bye, attitude.
Another head
Ooh,
here.
grandma. It's not
Let's
allergic.
remove that like this.
Is it?
Sausaw Sasuka.
If oh, dapat ito is, on tayo. Kasi,
Okay.
yeah.
And rice.
We won a game.
Okay.
But we are tied up.
I am allergic
Tied
to
on tails.
remote.
That means I have
I am allergic to
Oh,
cactus.
Arky, look at this. Is this
You are allergic to me? Will you babet that then?
1v1 here, and the
Are you allergic to robots?
And then, if it's tied, we're gonna do one more 1v1 out here. Ready? 3, 2,
Come on.
1, go.
Yup. Boom.
This is the taba. Taba.
I'll stop. Reset. Reset.
You are so fat. Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah. You're going down, buddy. You think you
Oh,
can
wow.
faster
You are
than me?
way faster than me.
Get locked! No, you do it.
Okay.
Okay, so
Another rice.
you're hacking. Yeah, that's great. That's great.
This is true.
Mm.
You blocked yourself in your own building.
I have
dude.
two here.
Last time for box fights. Come here. Come on, buddy. I'll do this one. You do that one.
This one.
Baby, kaya ka.
Different modems.
Oh, you're. I hate to break it to you. You're so dumb. Okay.
Oh.
Where are you, Diddle? What are you doing? You're fast.
The shell.
Here, Diddle.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
I'm here. I'm right here.
Yeah.
Where'd you go?
Because the lasa is there.
Little rat, dude. Where are
Right?
you?
Opo.
Oh, you're downstairs?
Yes.
That's so weird.
And then kanin again.
Oh!
So I have the meat.
You actually almost killed me. Like
I want still
That
sabo.
was a good move.
Hi, you win.
Suka.
You get the $1,000.
I want sabo.
Sauce?
Send it off.
Yeah.
Alright, 3, 2,
What
1.
sauce?
Okay.
Alright, GG. That's fun.
Pause na.
We have to grab
So
things
here's
that float
the
in ocean.
sauce.
Wow, this is a very polluted ocean.
Yeah, this is not.
Me
Ano
begin.
yan?
Oh my gosh, it's literally a shark.
Nilagyan ko siya ng
Think about it.
tomato paste.
You're not eating.
So this one is
Reverse psychology.
onion and garlic, tomato paste, and then a little bit of paprika, and Sprite.
We can build a building hammer.
Boil lang.
That was disgusting. Never think about doing that again. Also, I demand you know,
Mm.
you be my servant,
And then
right?
with
I'm the
pinakurat.
captain of the ship. You're gonna get me
Mom?
right now.
Oh, don't call me mom.
Mom?
Mm.
Mom? Mm.
Hey, say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Welcome to our vlog.
Welcome to our vlog.
Mm-hmm.
Vlog.
Vlog.
Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Are you copying yung mga po, yun nagsasabi na sinigang at ganon, mga ganon?
Ano sila at mga ganun?
Yun, ganito, yun nagtatikot, ganito. Yung nagluluto ganito, sinigang baboy at salt, at mga ganon.
Yeah. Another ulo, sausaw sa suka.
Pero naman, kailangan mo ikaw magluto din.
Mm-hmm. Ano?
Pero bakit nagkakain ikaw instead?
A little bit hard pa mag cooking tutorial. Don't forget tataba. Look at that. Mm. Don't worry guys. Mura lang kasi ang hipon dito kaya right now. Kaya afford naman. Okay. So,
Pero sa Philippines, baka, hindi ba?
mahal. So, mura kasi ang hipon dito. So, ito is worth 20 dirham. So, divide nyo siya sa 16.70. Mura ang seafood.
So guys, kung nasa Philippines kayo, kilala niyo pa po na lata mali. Pero dito cheap, pero sa Philippines hindi. Sorry guys.
Wipe
Pero,
your mouth, please.
alam ko si Lola, nagwawash nito, tas gusto niya mag-swim, tas pero kaso lang expensive.
Wipe your mouth. So, another meat here. Try nyo siya isaw-saw sa suka. So good.
Yeah, you're going overboard. Hold on, I'm gonna build a plank so you can walk it. And I'm gonna build a nice portrait of your mom.
Sorry sa subo, I'm trying to enjoy lang.
Okay, fine.
At the same time,
That's your fault. I'm gonna die. Okay, I take it all back.
Listen, we need to work together on this. Where did it just go?
yummy baby.
It's about to turn nighttime and it's so much worse, including storms, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, build yourself one of the hammers and then you can build stuff.
I know, but I don't need that right now. I need rope. Oh, nice. Okay, all right. So look what I can make. I can make this. Watch out. I gotta put it in a spot where Timmy will not eat it. Here, Timmy will not.
What is this?
Okay, so now fireplace planks. Okay,
That's
give me a cup of
perfect.
water.
Yeah, we can cook.
Looking at the ground.
Yeah, we need a fire starter. buddy.
Nagpo-focus lang ako sa
No,
ground.
I made the wrong thing.
Why would you do that?
Kaya
It's really dark. This is
Yeah, this is terrifying. I am super thirsty. It's flashing red. Dude, I think I'm gonna die. How do we get like good water?
look. Hit tab. Okay, can I teach you some things? Oh my
Please
gosh.
do. I am very
Hit
not
tab.
smart at this
Food
game.
and water
Tab,
to the top left.
food and water. Simple purifier. Do we have that?
No, I need 3 plastic and 1 leaf.
Watch this. Oh, yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, I'm a team player. I'm expecting 3 days of praise.
Ooh, I'm in red water.
Oh, interesting. Didn't mean to do that.
Are you on red water?
Yes, I'm gonna die. I'm lower than
I'll
you.
get you water.
Yes, thank you, servant. Oh my gosh, this one we're not actually gonna die. You're crazy. You're crazy for that.
Wait, how much in your ass? Island!
Oh yeah, the island that we're moving.
Stay
Oh,
alive,
yeah,
stay alive, stay alive, stay alive, stay alive. You don't need to drink water that bad. Are we supposed to turn the raft around?
How is it now?
Good.
I don't think we're able to turn it around. I think we need
It's
some
literally
sort
so
of- Let me see what I can
It's
do.
good.
I don't know what they call me.
Bye. Say bye na.
Right?
Bye.
So,
Bye.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.
We're gonna
So
make
see you soon.
another one.
Yeah, we're gonna make another mukbang, another
Part
eating
2.
Oh my gosh.
Another eating video.
Part 2.
Okay? Bye! Stay safe!
I have no idea.
Don't
Bukas
forget
is
to
gonna be
follow.
part 2.
Soon.
Okay. Bye!